हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं जा रही हूँ अपना लैपटॉप लेने और मेरे साथ मम्मी और ब्रदर भी जा रहे हैं। लेट्स सी कि कौन सा वाला लैपटॉप हम लेते हैं। चलिए, क्योंकि मुझे पीएचडी में अलग लैपटॉप में ही काम करना होगा, बिकॉज मैं चाहती हूँ कि मेरा अनअकैडमी का और पीएचडी का काम डिफरेंट रहे। भुट्टे दिख रहे भुट्टे की सेल्फ सर्विस चल रही है यहाँ पे, अपना अपना बनाओ और खाओ।
तो मैं फोन कर दूंगा, अभी कर दूँ। ठीक ठीक है,
प्राइस है 9 का।
ठीक है सर।
ओके,
जिनको शोरूम वगैरह वाले मान लेते हैं ना, जिनका बस पार्टी आरासी है, उसके बाद उसमें
एक्चुअली मैं ही देखता हूँ ना।
हेलो करते हैं फिर
16 GB बात है, आदमी के नॉलेज में होना चाहिए वो सारी।
हमसे होता नहीं है। फाइनली वी गॉट आवर गेमिंग लैपटॉप। हाँ जी, क्या कह रहे हो? नहीं, ये सिर्फ रखा ही हुआ है।
आसूस प्रोमो .in
बड़ा है,
नहीं आता 15 इंच काटना पड़ता है।
इसके साथ हमने ये माउस पैड लिया है और ये प्यारा सा क्यूट सा माउस वायरलेस है। वेरी गुड
सर साथ में मेरा
दिख रहा है बहुत ही क्यूट लग रहा है मेरे को ये माउस।
इसकी 3 साल की
और
वारंटी,
ये इसका बैग मिला इसके साथ।
लैपटॉप की 1 साल की वारंटी दी है।
इसकी 3 साल की वारंटी है। वेरी गुड।
लिखा होगा ना पर।
हाँ, ये एपीजे कलाम थिएटर है, लेक्चर थिएटर है।
All the best. Thank you. With this welcome note, let me introduce myself. This is Dr. Neha Saini. I have done my graduation from Delhi University and post-graduation from GTS IPU. After that, I did my PhD from Faculty of Management Studies from Delhi University in the area of finance and international business. And I will be taking related to financial analytics and financial. That you have good packages in your hand, and all the best to you.
Along with this, we are also going to recruit some more really good faculty members, and we've already seen that they have done PhD from very good institutions. We are
I hope so. Entirely for the purpose of faculty and staff members. The student will not use it. Then we have student login. This student login is used for the login into the IMS. Then third option is for alumni. Yes.
There are basically two kinds of the courses. One is the core course, which is we call as CC. You will see this nomenclature in your timetable also. So these are the core course, which is the compulsory course, which has to be studied in the entire program. And then there is an elective course, and this elective course is basically based on the electives you are going to choose in your second year of the programs. So these elective courses are further divided into two categories. First is the discipline electives, which is ED, and then there is open elective, which is EU. Okay, so the explanation is provided. We will be sharing the details also with you through maybe a brochure or maybe some other. This is even available on the website also. If you want to go in details, this is available on the website also. And the programs. So there will be a total 108 credits which you are going to earn in this particular programs. So 68 credit will be from your core courses and 40 credits will be from your discipline electives or open electives. And these are the credit on the right side. The credit distribution per semester has been mentioned. You can see there are 8 courses in first semester which will make you earn 28 credits, and then there are 7 courses, 9 courses. And in the last semester, if you can see, there are only 4 courses. And out of these 4 courses, the 6 credit you will earn from the project also. So this is the major change which has happened that we are mentioning. So in order to lighten up the last semester, this last semester the courses has been reduced. Even your seniors are surprised to see that. But yes, of the course code, right? These are the you need to remember the course code, and there are the courses which is mentioned and the type of the courses. Whether it is a core course, in the first semester all your courses are core courses, and you need to remember the code, right? So when you are going for C, the number of the credits varies in the semester. The third semester is going to be little heavy semester, but the fourth semester will be, that is going to be very light semester.
Second time here.
Okay. So here also, if you see that there is a 3 terms we are using: LTP, L for lectures, T for tutorials, and P for practicals or activities, right? So when in courses like if I talk about the first course, that is business analytics for decision making, this is a 302 kind of the course. So that means you will having 3 lectures in a week and 2 practicals. For the practical, what we generally do, we divide the entire class into 2 groups, right? So the practicals will be conducted into 2 different groups. Okay, so maybe like 30 to 30 students in the next group, right? So this will be like 302 course, so 3 lectures and 2 practicals. In case if the particular course is not having the practical, in that case the activities will be there, right? So the faculty member will share the activity, and those activities you need to perform in the groups. So same goes for all the courses in this particular semester. So we generally have 302 course now as per this revised scheme, or 310 course. So let me give you one example of 310 course, maybe here. Yes, this strategic management is basically 310 course. So in this particular course, you will be having 3 lectures per week and 1 tutorial. Okay, so this is the only difference. The other difference is basically the evaluation. The evaluation pattern for 302 course is different and 310 course will be different. I think that will be discussed in the class. Discipline electives, it depends on the major that you are going to select in your final semester. So these are the buckets for different discipline that we offer at the department. The left side is the finance, and on the right side are the for the marketing. So in the third semester, for example, in the finance, you can take any 2 subjects out of these 4 subjects mentioned here. And similarly, in the fourth semester, you can choose 2 subjects out of the 4 subjects mentioned here. Okay. Same goes for the other discipline also, like operations, business analytics, and human resources. Okay. Along with this, we are also having the open electives, and this is the bucket for the open electives, and these will be offered to you as per these schemes, as per their place in the scheme. Now, thank you very much.
On the 3rd and the 4th row, and with the Department of Management Studies, we also have the IF incubator there on the 4th row. So, what we do? Here in incubator, we provide mentoring and seed support to the startups. So, in case you have an idea and you want to convert that idea into a company, then we'll first pre-incubate that startup. It's like a 3 months or a 6 months period during which you will work on your idea, maybe tinker with your idea, come up with a prototype, and then you feel that that idea can be converted into a company. Then we provide seed investment and incubation support to such companies. You must be knowing that we have now the Ministry of Education's innovation cell. So as part of that also, we provide various support to startups, as well as we actively organize the Toycathon in the university. To support these activities, we also have various student clubs. We have the entrepreneurship cell, we have the Enactors Club here. Apart from this, we also organize other outreach activities and programs. So, I'm not sure whether you must have noticed the mission of the university, but if you have read through the mission of the university, then one of the missions clearly states that, I'll just read it, to foster human potential by inculcating responsible behavior, environment, improvement, ethics, and innovation and entrepreneurship. So, innovation and entrepreneurship is one of the missions of this university. And what do we mean by that? We mean not just technologically being an advanced university, but also converting that technology, those research, into commercializable products, into companies, into ventures. And some of the boasting from our side, NSUT secured the 3rd rank in the ARIA rankings. That's the Atal Incubation ranking for innovation of institutions. And that's out of 650 state-funded universities in the category. So as any other company, there's a board of directors. So we have this board. In the executive team, you must be noticing that we have Professor Vijayendra Singh also as one of the members of the board. He is the director on the board of the team. And obviously, Professor J.P. Saini sir, the chairman, being founded by one amongst us. So the alumni of this institute, of this university, has founded these startups. You must be knowing a couple of these startups. Maybe some of you must be playing on Winzo. We have the Samsung Innovation Lab here. We have a Texas Instrument Center of Excellence. Private company. It can be a limited liability partnership firm, or it can also be a partnership firm. So out of these three, as a legal entity, you can begin your journey as a startup. Until the stage of 10 years from the date of incorporation, it can be called as a startup. And in case you cross, so you must be seeing that Flipkart is also a startup, but Government of India mandates that up to a revenue of 100 CR, it can be called as a startup. So there are various benefits that you can avail as a startup. You get tax holiday for 3 financial years, faster processing of your application for patenting. Then apart from it, you can also get exemptions and self-certification in environmental and labor laws. So the incubator, what the incubator does is, we have an incubation process here. So starting with the idea technology, what you need to do is, if you want to start your own venture and seek support from NSUT, prepare a presentation, which we call it as a pitch deck or a business plan. It summarizes your solution, the problem you're addressing, the market you're targeting, and most importantly, the team that you have. We have a review process here, which screens and evaluates these business proposals. And once after this review process, if it's a no-go or a no-go, we incubate these ideas or these ventures with predefined milestones. And then subsequently, we provide incubation for 2 years with the seed support to these ventures. So you can avail various funding mechanisms at NSUT. In case you want to just ideate, you have a proof of concept stage, then you get a fellowship amount of rupees 4 lakhs, which is distributed across an year as fellowship amount. Once you form a company, then we'll give you an incubation seed funding of around rupees 7.5 lakhs. And in case you want to go for a go-to-market strategy, then you can also get funding up to 25 lakhs. So probably you can ask or you can learn about what's the go-to-market strategy, what's the business strategy, what's the financial support, both internal funds as well as partners from corporate world. Then you want to file your patents or trademarks, then we'll help you in filing those patents. We organize various networking events where you can connect with alumni and with other industry stalwarts here. And apart from this, you can also avail other accounting and HR based services through the startup incubator here. So these are some of the achievements of our startup so far. So one of the startups by the name Seedwings, they have received venture capital funding from PADUP and Elena Capital. So probably you should go and find out what's a venture capital firm. One of the companies by the name Elnarish, the healthy company, they have also been funded through the VC of Venture Catalyst, First Take and others. They make chocolates which are healthy for you. So it can be as simple as that. So these are various initiatives that we take. One of the initiatives is we also have an MBA in specially focused program for startups, which is MBA in Innovation, Entrepreneurship and Venture. MOUs with various organizations. So in case you want to use cloud credits, that we have an MOU with Amazon. Center in 2016. So these are some of the startups which have been incubated and funded. So I'll just skip these slides. So as I was talking about various events that we organize. Thank you. So in case you have any questions or you want to know about how to start a company or how to venture into your
Department of Management Studies and DCP, and on my own behalf, I am thankful to all who are present in today's event. I am thankful to Dean Faculty of Management Studies, Professor Rajendra Singh, for encouraging.
हाँ नहीं हमें जाने देंगे फ्रेंड्स। अभी हमारा हो गया ओरिएंटेशन एंड अभी हम जा रहे हैं कैंटीन की तरफ फॉर रिफ्रेशमेंट। सो ये बाजू से बैक साइड से कैंटीन जा रहे हैं आज ये। सो कैंटीन में हम आ गए हैं और ये सारे फैकल्टी मेंबर्स बैठे हुए हैं। अभी MBA वाले आएंगे, हम पहले निकल लेंगे। पूरी कैंटीन भरी भरी है एंड कुछ को जगह भी नहीं मिली है। तो फाइनली रिफ्रेशमेंट में मिला है समोसा खाओ। सो फ्रेंड्स इट वॉज़ ग्रेट डे एंड अभी मैं घर जा रही हूँ। रास्ते में मेरे को कुछ काम भी है, मैं वहाँ भी जाऊँगी, फिर मेट्रो से घर जाऊँगी। देन वी विल मीट यू सून एंड इसी तरीके से वीडियोस को देखते रहिए। लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर ज़रूर करना अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ। और भी डे टू डे अपडेट्स मैं आपके साथ शेयर करती रहूँगी। वी विल सी यू एंड मीट यू सून। अभी मैं फ्रेंड्स कुछ काम से आई हूँ बाहर और यहाँ मेट्रो स्टेशन के पास मिल्क मिल रहा है मुझे। सो फ्लेवर्ड मिल्क पी रही हूँ मैं।